One of the many instances that raises questions on the correlation of geopolitical interests of India and to the aspiration for unification, propounded by Mizoram Chief Minister Lalduhoma. A report in the Hindu newspaper has revealed that Mizoram Rajya Sabha MP K. Vanlal Veena recently visited Chin state of Myanmar and invited Chin Land Council and Chin National Front Army to join the Union of India. According to the Hindu newspaper, the Mizo National Front MP visited camps and offices of Chin Land Council and a rebel outfit controlling parts of northwest Myanmar in areas bordering India from February 27th. And interestingly, MP Vanlal Veena has claimed that the visit was made after informing Mizoram Governor V.K. Singh and the Assam Rifles before crossing over to Myanmar on foot from Mizoram. He also informed that he made the Chin Council members to forge friendship and brotherhood as the outfit controls and administers the areas bordering Mizoram from the past 6 months, as there is no official government in the Myanmar. The MP from Mizoram also invited Chin Land Council and Chin National Front Army to join the Union of India and be part of India. The MP also told the Hindu that the Union Home Ministry and Minister of External Affairs will be briefed about the visit and the meeting. On the other hand, a report has been published in Deccan Herald newspaper that the Chief Minister of Mizoram, Lalduhoma, had felicitated merger agreement for two organizations based in Chin state of Myanmar during a meeting held at Mizoram's capital Aizawl on February 27th. According to the report in Deccan Herald, the meeting was attended by leaders of Chin Land Council and the interim Chin National Consultative Council ICNCC, in which they signed an agreement and merged under the banner Chin National Council CNC. Representatives of Chin Land Council's armed wing, Chin National Army CNA, and that of ICNCC, Chin Brotherhood, also attended the event. It may be mentioned that Mizoram Chief Minister Lalduhoma had made controversial speech during his visit to US last year, where he proposed about unification and nationhood for Kuki Mizo Chin communities spread across Myanmar, India and Bangladesh. And surprisingly, Centre has not made any comments against the speech made by Mizoram Chief Minister.